What's going on, guys? Car Review Guys here. My name is AJ and we're back again with my 2015 C7. We are going to, this is a manual transmission too. If you are new to the channel, we're doing a build on the car. We have already done the taillights. Next, we're doing the wheels. That is today's video, changing out these wheels. That is the next step. Still have a Pro Charger that's going to be coming. We have some headers that are going to be put on. An actual build series, definitely new for this channel, but it is definitely fun. So we're actually running, honestly, a little bit late. We need to get this car over there. Like, we gotta go. Let's roll. Manual transmission, as I said. Feels good to be back rowing some gears for sure. Can't wait until we get some of the mods done. It's going to be fun once we get that Pro Charger and the headers on here. But on to the wheels, baby. All right, so I did not want to bother the gentlemen that were at Discount Tire that were changing out the wheels for me, but huge shout out to those guys. They took extra precaution. They let me watch the whole time if I wanted to. Really took their time and really made you feel like they wanted to get you taken care of. Great customer service in Casa Grande. If you guys are near, definitely highly recommend. They did an amazing job. Now, with that said, we have the new wheels and I am looking at them and they look quite nice. I really like how they turned out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unveil it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little cinematic there, but nonetheless, it looks really good. These are the fronts, and I actually did order these wheels on eBay, so they are actually not a name brand wheel. So I thought maybe I would try them for just a little bit, and then maybe I end up going to a better, higher end type of wheel, but these don't have any runs or anything on them. Like, they literally look perfect. I've driven them a little bit now, a few miles anyway, so it's definitely, they're not very clean at the moment, but nonetheless, they look really good. And of course, paired to the Morimoto C8 style tail lamps located right there, looks really good. Let me know what you guys think. I will put a link down below for these C8 style tail lamps. They look killer, being the clear / smoke. It definitely fixes the look. Now we've got the wheels, and of course we do have the Pro Charger that is going to be put on. We also have Texas speed headers, a lot of things in the works. And then we also have the tinted markers, as you can see there. Did it on the rear as well. Definitely looking good. We're starting to get it the way we want it. We also have the Z06 style grille that will also be fixing the front, because that does not look very good in my opinion. All right, you guys just saw the wheels. Let's do just a little POV drive here. Just trying out this new camera, this new mic. We have the Hollyland Lark M2, I think is what it is called. With that said, I also have a new camera, as I kind of mentioned maybe in an upload or two ago, and I wanted to see how all this does. So let's do a little test and a little drive, do a couple little rips, and see how it goes. I gotta say, for a stock car, this thing drives really good. Holy cow, there's a stink bug. That must have come all the way from Ohio. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but yeah, that's hilarious. It's on the windshield. Nonetheless, totally harmless. Just hilarious that it came all the way from Ohio, and it's literally been chilling in this car for like 3 weeks now. So that's always interesting. Little downshift, just a little something, go to second. Not bad. Again, we're doing headers as well. They're going to be Texas speed headers. I picked them up for like 900 bucks too. So I've heard pretty good reviews, but I haven't seen like a ton of videos on them. I've seen like 2 or 3 little tiny videos, but I wanted to get something that wasn't like cooks, because that's all over the internet. Again, I want to be able to create some new content. Oh my goodness, look at this. We have a cyber fridge right here. Oh my goodness, brother. Get out of here. I don't know. It's ugly. I'm just saying. I think it's ugly. Absolutely love the rev match as well, because just going from third to second, like, there's going to be some people that are typing away like, oh, taking all the skill out of it. Well, I mean, when you're just around town and you're not actually tracking your car, it's honestly pretty nice. You don't have to be heel towing and all that kind of stuff in order to get where you want to go without burning your clutch. And there's some people that are not very good at stick as well. So keep that in mind. All right, let's see. Let's open her up here just a little bit. Let's get a little baseline stock. Here we go. It runs. It moves. For being stock, like, honestly, for the money, you're talking a $42,000 car with 26,000 miles, clean Carfax and everything. It's hard to beat, honestly. All right, so just a little baseline, just testing the mic and the new camera as well. Just wanted to do a new view to see how we like it. Comment down below whether you like that or not. Maybe we can do it some other reviews. This is actually really handy and easy to do in this car just because it has a glass roof, so it's easy to put the camera there. But nonetheless, let's go down here and wrap up this video. One more look here, just taking a look at the wheels. I do think it looks really, really good. Tell me down below what you guys think. I wasn't sure how the ZR1 replicas would look on a base Stingray, but I gotta say, I really do think they look pretty good. And one more time, just these tail lamps, it has really changed. This back corner, just looking at the two, looks really, really good. Now, I still have to tint this guy right here. We'll get to that one step at a time. Probably going to do some side skirts, most likely, maybe a front splitter. Again, Pro Charger will be going on. So, last but not least, also with the Pro Charger, we'll be putting the new Z06 style, all black, get rid of that chrome on the front. We're getting there, step by step. I do think it's going to look quite nice whenever it's done. To me, it's already looking better. Once again, comment down below what you guys think. Maybe something you guys would like to see as well, right? If you own a C7, if you have some buddies, if there's something you're wanting to see tested, trialed, stuff like that, let me know. This is not a long-term car. This is just content, right? So we do car reviews, but then also something a little more fun. We had the 2017 Acura NSX, but after we did the wrap, we did the downpipes, and we did the exhaust. What more are you going to do to that car, really, right? I could have done a tune, bigger turbos. Motor's $150,000 on that car. Don't believe me? Go check out the Acura forums. I am not that rich. I can afford a nice car. I cannot afford to be putting a new $150,000 motor in it. Hence why I had a warranty, so that way things were covered. But nonetheless, we went back to an affordable car. We're saving up, maybe a Lambo after this. I don't know. But in the meantime, we're going to have some fun with this vehicle. Comment down below. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this content. I don't think this video is super long, but I did want to at least unveil the wheels. Next step, I'm not sure what the next video is going to be. Might be doing a center console, very short video, maybe even a short, I don't know. Basically, we'll be doing that. That's another small little mod. And then after that, I think, honestly, it might be Pro Charger time. We already have everything lined up to get it done. It's just the matter is to, like, what sequence the videos release, if that makes sense. So, hope you guys enjoyed. And as always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.